So now let's understand the one-click recorder inside of Snagit. So over here, in order to access OneClick, once you open up your recorder right here, you can simply go on over here onto View and Show OneClick. So once you do that, you have OneClick Recorder right here. So on the OneClick Recorder, you can simply start a capture right here, just like this. Select around an area, and then you have a option whether you want to capture an image or video. So once you capture an image right here, it's on the editor right here. So these are some basic settings right here. So once you click on this, it opens up the Snagit Editor. If you were to go over here, if there's any presets that you made, then everything will be here. Let's say, for example, you want to do a scrolling capture, you have made a preset for it, you can simply select it out right here. And just like that, you can start up the panoramic capture over here as well. Over here, you can also manage out the preset, and that opens up the recorder as you can see. So let me just close everything out right here. Go on, manage preset. It opens up the recorder and you are able to manage out the preset from right over here. So you can go around, record it, and so forth. If you were to go on to OneClick, you can go on to additional options and helps as well. And you can see that you have help options that you can access from over here. And you can also add a hotkey for the recording. You can also go to capture preferences from right over here and arrange out the Snagit preferences according to what you like. So that's it for the one-click recorder right here. This is some quick options that you can work with inside of Snagit. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.